Avoiding costly mistakes when selling your home can save you thousands and safeguard your investment's value. Hi, I'm Allison Moreau, broker owner of Real Connect Realty. If you are contemplating selling your home now or in the future, I invite you to explore how you can maximize your crucial asset's potential. The real estate landscape has evolved dramatically, and even if you've experienced selling a home today, you'll find that in today's market, it can be very, very different. Understanding that many have their go-to realtors, is important to recognize that insufficient experience and knowledge could lead to unnecessary stress and significant financial loss for you. That's why I have developed a seller's course available to you at your convenience. This course is designed to arm you with the knowledge needed to navigate the complexities of selling in today's digital world, ensuring that you're well prepared to make the most out of your sale. All the details for accessing this course are provided below. Registration ensures that we can tailor the experience to your needs. I'm looking forward to helping you achieve a successful sale.